I've made it to New York. This is my first time outside of the airport, and it was honestly kind of complicated to get even to the train station. I was gonna take an Uber to
Newark Airport. Passengers now arriving on track A is the New Jersey Transit 1028 inbound train to Penn Station, New York. Making stops in Newark.
That's the train I have to take.
See Columbus and New York. Please stand back from the yellow line and please watch the gap while boarding the train. Attention, Newark Airport passengers. Approximately 8 minutes.
Thank you. I plan to take an Uber to Manhattan, but it's like $70-80 right now. It's 10 in the morning. Like, why would that be so expensive? And instead, now I'm taking the. I have a ticket $16.80 for the train station to get to the Penn Station, and then I take another one. What is this old thing here? First impression was kind of negative, but now it's starting to be fun being in the main areas. I just walked past the Trump Tower, and now there's this giant Louis V box. It just looks so ridiculous and out of place, but I guess that's their goal. And then behind this is the Central Park. This is the Plaza Hotel, and right here is where they filmed Home Alone.
Where you see when you close your eyes, won't be one that
That's how she made her way to the top. On her knees.
This guy shows up.
Kamala is a hoe. Kamala is a hoe.
I love y'all, but I ain't getting out of this.
What are we going to do? We're going to make America great again. That's right.
Getting some Dunkin' Donuts, and now I'm going up the Vanderbilt Tower, which is this one, which is the highest viewing platform in Manhattan. better to be on an e-bike. I paid $40 for the day pass now for 24 hours. So I'm gonna drive around the city tomorrow in the morning and this whole afternoon. Right now I'm in Central Park. I'm gonna go around for a little bit, just to have a nice breeze in my face, find some food, and then drive down to Chinatown again. See the World Trade Memorial and also Wall Street. That's my plan at least. This is the World Trade Center Memorial. It's a very nice structure, honestly. You have all of the names of the people who have passed away when the towers collapsed. This big waterfall with infinity edge all the way around. But that being said, jet fuel doesn't melt steel beams. I have some roasted duck with rice and soy sauce egg. I'm still with the bike. I just came over the Brooklyn Bridge, which is the one back here, and now I'm heading back to Manhattan via the Manhattan Bridge, which is this one. This is where I'm gonna sleep. I have this big, beautiful iguana here. It's my friend's pet. He has two. He's like a big house cat. Or a small house cat. But a very scaly one. And he loves getting his neck rubbed. People are so afraid of reptiles for no reason. This whole thing was taken brick by brick from Egypt here to New York. I'm not sure what exactly it was, but it was a temple, but they were like doing construction in the area where this was at, so they offered it to different museums around the world, and then the New York Metropolitan Museum said they would take it if they can organize the transport.